I think awards like these help women to be recognized in the public sphere. Women normally are not given opportunity to come and work out in public places. My grandmother only studied till the 8th standard, and after having her 3 children, she started coming in working for Delhi Press, and she made Delhi Press into the institution that it is. When awards from magazines like Grihshobha are there, they give women an opportunity to be recognized. Not only they to be recognized, their journeys to be recognized. What were the problems they faced? What were the challenges they overcome? What were the challenges that the families overcame? So I personally believe that a magazine like Grihshobha, which has been there for more than 4 decades, they instituting these awards and women being recognized through these awards will become a source of inspiration in coming years to many such women who have it in them to show what they want to do but are scared to do so. And I congratulate all the women who get these awards today, because you are a source of inspiration not only to the women who are seeing them but to people all over the world, that this can be possible, that it is possible. Thank you.